चालू करो उसको.
Worked on iPad and Mango. And I also validated which was all price sector. And today I am going to execute this remaining test cases in mobile and browser system.